Hi dear friend, welcome back to my channel Tech Bidda. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit WhatsApp message after send it. Cause sometimes we typing very quickly and we did mistake in typing. After sent message, we realize it. That's why we need to edit our sent messages. A few days ago, WhatsApp added this feature. From now, you can edit sent messages easily. Before starting the video, I'll ask you something that till if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button of this video. So let's start the video. At first, open your WhatsApp. First of all, let me send a message in this number. Okay, I sent a message in this number. Now suppose I did mistake in this message. So now I need to edit this message. Just hold on this text for a few seconds. After that, you will see here 3-dot option. Just click on this option. Then click on edit option. Now you can easily change this text message. Let me type here anything. If I type here, where are you? Then click on this tick icon. Now you can see it's already changed. One thing remember, to get this feature you must update your WhatsApp. So just go to Play Store and update it. And you can edit send messages within 15 minutes. After 15 minutes you can edit it. So friend, if this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you face any problem related to Android, please let me know in the comment box. I will try my best to help you. Friend, thanks for watching this video.